Okay, Ms. Villaroo, you ready, Ms. Williams Law?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, would you please repeat that?
Are you ready, Miss? Are you ready, Miss? What's saying, Miss Williams Law ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Villaroo, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor, Evelyn Villaroo, certified court interpreter.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Good morning, Ms. Glogowski.
Buenos días.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here with Mr. Perez Hernandez, Rachel Glogowski, 274194.
Buenos días, su señoría. Yo soy Rachel Glogowski. Estoy aquí con el señor Hernández Pérez, Gumercindo Pérez Hernández. Mi número de abogada es P74194.
Okay, let's start with Chavez Escobar. Are you there, Mr. Chavez Escobar?
Señor Escobar, ¿está presente?
Sí, sí, buenos días.
Yes, good morning.
All right.
It's rolled up. It's just.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Chavez. Strike that. Marcio Chavez Escobar, case numbers SP 1338918, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Mauricio Chávez Escobar. Números de caso SP 1338918, cargos 1 y 2. Que digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Sí, mi nombre es Mauricio Chávez Escobar.
Yes, my name is Mauricio Chávez Escobar.
Howard S. Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Mr. Escobar.
Y soy el señor Berry Jr., número de abogado P28880, representando al señor Escobar.
All right, the date is the date and time set for a review in the matter.
Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para revisar el caso.
¿Está bien?
That's fine.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Denunciamos que nos lean los cargos formalmente y guardamos silencio, su señoría.
We have to correct the entry in here. I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of service. Sir, you went above and beyond the 12 hours of community service and you completed 13 hours. So I'm going to thank you for that, sir. And with that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Bueno, señor, veo aquí que le habíamos pedido que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y usted hizo mucho más, cumplió sus 13 horas. Le damos las gracias y reconociendo eso, desestimamos el caso. ¿Le parece bien?
Sí, estoy de acuerdo.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave. Thank you very much.
Y si usted no tiene alguna otra pregunta, señor, ya se puede ir y le doy muchas gracias.
Ok, gracias. Una pregunta, disculpen.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, but I do have a question.
Question.
¿Te pregunta?
Entonces aquí todos los cargos que se me había presentado queda borrado automáticamente.
So now here, all the charges that I had are now erased.
Yes. The one was open or dismissed, yes.
Sí, quedan desestimados. Sí.
Ok, gracias y solamente, gracias.
Okay, thank you. That was it. And thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
Y que tenga usted un buen día, señor.
Igual a ustedes.
I wish the same to everyone here.
Thank you.
Bye.
Gumercindo Cindo Hernandez.
Mercindo Hernández.
Sí.
Yes.
That's your client, Miss Podolsky.
Yes,
Sí,
Your Honor, good
señor.
morning.
Lekowski es su cliente, ¿no? Sí, su señoría. Buenos días.
I would have known that that was on the docket today for review. I would have called you first.
Si hubiese
Oh, no
sabido
problem.
que estaba en la lista de causas para hoy con usted, la hubiera llamado usted primero. No hay problema, su señoría.
Okay. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Mayor Ciencio Hernandez, case number SP 129-64861, SP 129-64801. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Gumercindo Hernández. Número de casos SP 129-64801 y SP 129-64861. Que digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194, on behalf of Mr. Perez Hernandez.
Soy la licenciada Rachel Glukowski, número de abogada P74194, representando al señor Gumercindo Hernández.
Okay, today is the date and time set for review in the matter. I see that you are ordered to do 18 hours of community service. Well, let's let the record reflect that you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. And in lieu of fines and costs for the blocking traffic, you were allowed to do 6 hours, more hours of community service for a total of 18 hours of community service. And I see that you completed those community service hours. At this time, I'm going to dismiss the blocking traffic. And I don't know what the agreement was on the open intoxication.
Y veo aquí que usted cumplió 18 horas. Bueno, primero voy a decir que se había ordenado que usted cumpliera 12 horas. Y este es el día y la hora para revisar lo que ha sucedido en este caso. Veo que le pedimos 6 horas adicional por haber bloqueado tráfico. Con esas 6 horas y las 12 que le pedimos, llegamos a 18 y usted cumplió las 18 horas. Así que podemos hoy desestimar el caso donde usted estaba bloqueando tráfico. Pero no sé lo que está pasando con el caso de que tenía alcohol abierto en vehículo.
We had believed that that would also be dismissed, but I do understand from Mr. Goss that possibly they are just reduced to the open alcohol for passenger.
Había yo pensado que también ese cargo iba a quedar desestimado, pero hablando con el señor Goss, es posible que el caso haya sido reducido a que había alcohol abierto, pero lado del pasajero.
I am going to dismiss that as well. He's got to understand that That's not gonna avert the points on his driver's license. So this
Por
will
ese
have-
caso, hay que estimarlo también.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias,
Okay.
señoría.
If there's nothing further, then you have a very good day. You, Ms. Logowski and Mr. Hernandez, thank you for your.
Thank
Y,
you.
y soy nada adicional, entonces le deseo a los dos muy buen día, a la señora Grikowski, tal como al señor Pérez Hernández. Gracias.
Gracias, madam.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank
Thank you. Madam Interpreter. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Que pasen muy buen día.
Someone else here for a review?
¿Quién más está aquí para el propósito de revisar el caso que tiene?
Yo,
I am.
Yes, Reyes.
yo Viviana Landaverde.
That is me. I'll ask you to repeat her name, Your Honor. Repita su nombre.
Viviana Landaverde.
Viviana Lando Verde.
Y yo, Jocelyn Hernández.
And me, Jocelyn Hernandez.
And also me is for my father, Lopez Rafael Lopez.
I see, is there a Karina Reyes?
¿Hay Karina Reyes presente?
Sí, hola, buenos días. Me llamo Karina Reyes.
Yes, that's me, and my name is Karina Reyes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Karina Reyes, case number ST 1377081. Appearance for the record. Oh, you don't have to put your appearance on the record. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Así que llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit, número 1377081 versus Karina Reyes. Diga su nombre para que conste. Ah, no necesita decir su nombre.
No,
No.
Can you state your name for the record?
Pero queremos que diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Venga.
ok, mi nombre es Karina Reyes Valdivia.
My name is Karina Reyes Valdivia.
Morning to you. You were in order to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed community service, ma'am. So based on that completion, I'm going to dismiss your case, okay?
Señora, veo aquí que hemos ordenado que usted cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Noto también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo ese hecho, vamos a desestimar su caso hoy.
No, está bien, muchas gracias.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Y si no hay nada más que decir, señora, que pase muy buen día y le deseo buena suerte.
Muchas gracias. Igualmente.
Thank you very much.
All right, who's that talking?
Yo te dije.
Alex, you're gonna have to, mute your phone. Your Honor, we also have Adudano Sergio Morales. He's here for review.
In your office?
No, he's on the screen. He's here, but he hadn't checked in.
That's Danielle Morales Perez.
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Adon Dalla Sergio Morales Perez, case case number SP 137738661. Appearance for the record, please. I mean, strike that. State your name for the record, please.
Así que llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Adonai Morales Pérez, número de caso SP 137-73861. Diga su nombre, por favor.
Sergio Morales Pérez.
Sergio Morales Pérez.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, in order to do 12 hours of community service, I see that you have completed that 12 hours of community service. That we're going to dismiss your case, sir.
Bien, señora, sí veo que habíamos ordenado que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, vamos a desestimar el caso, señor.
Ok, está bien, gracias.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
If you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave. Have a
Y
great
si no
day.
tiene alguna otra pregunta, señor, ya se puede ir. Que tenga usted muy buen día.
Gracias, muy amable, gracias.
Thank you. You've been very kind. Thank you.
Oh, nomás una pregunta.
Oh, I do have a question.
Oh, disculpe, sí, ahorita ya está borrado todo cuando me pararon todo eso, ya está borrado todo lo que está. El ticket,
Excuse
todo
me,
eso.
but has everything been erased? When I got stopped, when I got the ticket, all of that, is that now all erased?
That is closed out. Yes, sir.
Y el caso está cerrado. Correcto, señor.
Ok, está bien, gracias, muy amable y que tengan un feliz día.
Okay, thank you. You're very kind, and I wish everyone a good day.
I wish you a better one. Have a great day.
Y usted también que tenga muy buen día.
Bye.
And we have Viviana Landavera.
I see. Thank you. Let's give Mrs. I have it down here as Velasquez.
Oh,
Viviana Velasquez.
yes. Correct.
Put your client's name in the chat, Mr. Worland.
Yes, Your Honor. I can chat that to your staff.
All right, just chat it to me right now. I'll look.
Okay,
up.
I'll send that to you right now, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Viviana Velasquez, case number SP 135599951. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Viviana Velázquez, número de caso SP 135-59951. Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, señora.
Viviana Velázquez.
Viviana Velázquez.
Okay, good morning to you. This is the date and time set for a review in the matter. I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service, and you completed the 12 hours of community service. So with that, I'm going to dismiss your case, ma'am, okay?
Veo aquí, señora, que le habíamos pedido 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Este es el día para revisar el caso. Veo que usted cumplió esas 12 horas. Reconociendo eso, vamos a desestimar su caso. ¿Qué le parece?
Muy bien.
Very good.
Okay, if it's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Y si no tiene nada más que quisiera decir, señora, se puede ir y le deseamos buen día.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so very much.
What do you want to do with these cases? Is he willing to do community service, or is he going to bring some information in regarding the plates and stuff, Mr. Portman?
Yeah, that would be fine, Judge.
We send another pretrial date. Is he here today?
He's not here. He's at work, but I can bring him in, Judge.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Andreas Segura, case number SP 1224594, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court, Ben Werwing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on this one. Go ahead, Counsel.
Judge, for that purpose, we'll stand mute and wait for him reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, how about your client's appearance? Can you address
Judge,
that?
if the court was willing to do so, if we could waive his appearance just for this purpose.
All right, I'm gonna waive his appearance. This is arraignment. He's represented by counsel, and I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. Give me another Wednesday that you want to appear. And you know, some of it really doesn't have to be Wednesday if he wants to come in, but it can be. I'll take you first. What Wednesday do you want to appear?
See, Judge, all right, we could do the 19th of October if that works for the court.
It's gonna be set pre-trial for October the 19th, 2022, 8:30 a.m. All
Thank you
right.
very much, Judge. I appreciate all the accommodations from you and your staff, and have a great day.
Good as well. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, let's talk about anybody else with the review. Anybody else with the review?
¿Hay alguien más que haya comparecido hoy para el propósito de revisar el caso?
Sí, yo, Jocelyn Hernández.
Me, Jocelyn Hernández.
You sure? I don't see you on the review.
¿Está segura usted? No la veo aquí en la lista de casos de revisar.
Sí, estoy más que segura. Sí.
Yes, I'm more than sure. Yes.
Let's see. Let's see if she's just sure about this or having a clever way of trying to jump the line.
What's her name again, Your Honor?
Yeah, is she supposed to be here for arraignment?
That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, she's not.
Yes, Your Honor, if I may, I see her under the 8:30 time.
All right, let's go with Hodge. He's got a whole host of cases. We have to find out, and he doesn't need an interpreter, I'm sure.
No, sir.
I got that right, didn't I? But I got both of them right. You got a whole host of cases, and you don't need an interpreter, correct?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Now, I want to know if you want to stay in my court or you want to go to the court of record that you're, because my court is community court today. That's the only reason that you're here, Mr. Hodge, is because you have tickets in Southwest Detroit. And this is all about community service. You have a lot of things going on and you probably are looking at a lot of community service hours. Do you want to do that or do you want to?
No, sir.
You want to go to your court of record?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's send him to his court of record, Hodge. I think that's Millhouse. Can we get I can arraign him. And he's too busy to do any community service. Right, Mr. Hodge?
Pardon me, Your Honor?
I say you're too busy to do any community service.
No.
Right?
No, I'm not too busy. I would rather try to like I said, those cases I'm gonna be pleading not guilty. So I'm gonna see the outcome of it.
I'll let you see the outcome of it here if you want. If whatever you get, you're gonna have to do community service for. But I'll send you to Judge Millhouse so you can see the outcome there.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Take this now. No coming back now. see. I want you to take this information down. You have an ink pen, sir?
Pardon me?
I said, do you have an ink pen? I want you to take this information down.
Oh, yes, what's this, do, right. Yes, I have one right now, yes, sir.
Save us some work in here with all these tickets.
I have ink pen, Your Honor.
Okay. 313-965-2296 is the court phone number. The Zoom ID, that's gonna be one of those funny ones, 360. Help me out on that, Ms. Harris.
I think it's 360-360-04 or 0340.
Yes, 0340. Let's call the case. So that's the Zoom ID, 360-360-0340. All right, this is the city of
360. You said
0340. I'm going to send it to you in the chat. 360-360-0340. Oops.
Do you know how to access the chat?
I have it written down as the Zoom ID number, and I have the court number. I mean the court room number.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Taiwan Cadell Hodge. Case numbers SP 121-6651, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 121-6660, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-3250, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-3251, counts 1, 2, and 3. And these are in warrant status. SP 468-724, counts 1, 2, and 3. Hearing for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72, on behalf of Mr. Hodge. Mr. Hodge, please state your name for the record.
My name is Taiwan Hodge.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, waives formal reading, and I believe he is respectfully requesting a pretrial date.
I think so. He's gonna go see what he can get out of Judge Millhouse's court. He's gonna fight those cases. I wish him the best of luck. We're gonna enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We're gonna give him a $0 bond. And we are going to give him a pretrial date of January the 19th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. He's gonna go to Judge Millhouse. All right, sir. Do you have any further questions?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, then you have a very good day and good luck to you.
All right, thank you so much, Your Honor. You have a blessed day too.
All right, what about Ariana Mejia?
Ariana Mejia?
Aquí estoy.
Yes.
Here I am.
I'm here.
I don't see her on the docket for some reason.
The interpreter doesn't see her name either, Your Honor. May I ask her if she has a second last name?
Yes.
Señora Mejía, ¿tiene usted otro apellido, un segundo apellido que usa?
Sí, González.
Yes, González.
Tengo Ariana Lisbeth Mejía González.
So it should be Mejía González, Ariana Lisbeth.
I don't see it. Tell her to type her name in the chat, or full name in the chat.
Señora, queremos que usted vaya al chat y que ponga ahí su nombre completo.
I see it.
Ya lo vemos.
Quiet, please.
Queremos que guarden silencio, por favor, hasta que llamemos su caso.
I have Ariana Elizabeth Matia Gonzalez is going to Michael Wagner on January 23rd, 2023 at 1:30.
Señora, tenemos el caso suyo aquí, pero lo tenemos anotado para que pase al juez Wagner el 22 de enero del 2023.
Sí, pero tengo un papel donde dice que me tengo que presentar aquí a las 8:30.
Yes, but I have a piece of paper here that says that I needed to appear today here at 8:30 a.m.
And where did you get that piece of paper from?
¿Y de dónde recibió usted ese papel? ¿Quién se lo dio?
They emailed it to me.
Oh.
Okay, so maybe let's look up these other cases. I don't see it. Who emailed you that? I don't know who emailed you that.
No vemos eso aquí. ¿Quién le mandó eso a usted por correo electrónico?
Well, I have it right here, like in the paper, right? They sent it to me. So right there, I don't know if you guys could see it.
Can you email it to me?
I think it says 1:30. Does it say 1:30?
No, 8:30.
8:30? Okay.
Let's see what it
See the
says.
date and then the time.
Yeah, it says 1/23/2023 at 1:30.
Let's call over there and see if we can get this file, because it's all listed in the computer. Her tickets are out of Southwest Detroit, so you are eligible. If you want to come, do you want to clear this up with some community service, ma'am?
No.
All right, so you're gonna go to Judge Wagner anyway.
Oh, okay. Wait, what do you mean by that? I'm sorry.
So if you don't want to do community service, this is out of your tickets arose out of the Southwest Detroit. In the Southwest Detroit, we're partnered with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and on Wednesdays I get all the tickets that come out of Southwest Detroit. If you want to clear it up, if you want to clear it up and you want to take a deal that we can offer you, I'll allow you to do 12 hours of community service. More than likely, in your case, your tickets will be dismissed. But if you don't want to do any community service, then you go to Judge Wagner, who you're supposed to really be assigned to, and you can fight your ticket or do what you want to over there.
So I could pay the tickets, right?
You can pay it, you can go to trial, you can do what you feel that's the best thing to do over there. But here, we're gonna want you to do some community service to clear this stuff up.
Oh.
I can let you speak with the lawyer if you want.
Okay.
Here, speak with her in a breakout room. She get her some understanding.
Yeah.
let's move along. Alex Flores, Lopez Flores.
Alex López Flores.
Soy yo. Buenos
Yes,
días.
that's me, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Buenos días a usted, señor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Alex David Lopez Flores, case numbers SP 1384149, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1384161, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Alex David López Flores. Números de caso SP 1384149, cargos 1 y 2. Y casos SP 1384161, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre.
My name.
Yes, your name, please.
Sí, su nombre, por favor.
Ok, mi nombre es Alex David López Flores.
Okay, my name is Alex David Lopez Flores.
Okay, and today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Y este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos en este caso. Adelante, licenciado.
Mr. Barry.
Oh, that's
Señor
Barry
Barry.
Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Sí, soy el licenciado Barry aquí representando al acusado, su señoría.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Okay, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. And I am going to, before we even make an offer, your client has been, the allegations are made that your client was driving 31 miles an hour over the speed limit. So,
Bueno, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable, le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Pero antes de que hablemos de qué oferta le ofrece la fiscalía, veo aquí que hay alegaciones que él estaba manejando 31 millas sobre el límite de velocidad.
Typically, Your Honor, the prosecutor requires the defensive driving course
yes,
in
and
these
that's up
circumstances.
to
Bueno, típicamente, su señoría, lo que pide el fiscal es que el acusado tome el curso que tiene que ver cómo manejar defensivamente.
Okay, yes, that, before he gives an offer, he's gonna want to, him to take the, www.betterdriverz.com course. And I put the course information in the certificate. That's totally voluntary, sir. You don't have to take the course if you don't want to. But you're looking at a 4-point offense now, and the city is willing to reduce that, those points on that offense if you take the course. So it's up to you.
Bueno, señor, antes de que se le haga a usted una oferta de parte de la fiscalía, van a pedir que usted tome ese curso que tiene que ver con cómo manejar mejor. Pero es completamente voluntario para usted hacer, señor. Pero en este momento, si lo acusamos de la ofensa tal como está, son 4 puntos que le ponen en su licencia de conducir. Pero la ciudad está dispuesta a reducir esa cantidad, si es que usted toma ese curso.
Sí lo tomaré.
Yes, I'll take that course.
Now, the only problem that I see is that they don't offer the courses in Spanish. Is there somebody that will be able to help you translate, or can you understand the English and read and write the English language?
El único problema que veo con ese curso, señor, es que no se ofrece en español. ¿Tiene usted alguien que pudiera traducírselo a usted o le parece a usted que usted pudiera entenderlo? Es decir, lee usted y habla el idioma de inglés y comprende.
Tengo una sobrina que habla el inglés y ella me traduciría.
I have a niece who speaks English and she would be able to translate it for me.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I put the information in the chat, and if you can get that out of the chat, I'm gonna give you 30 days to complete. Well, we'll just set a pretrial for October 26, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. You send me that certificate ahead of your court date. Once you complete that, send me that certificate. My email address is in the chat as well. So take a screenshot of that and then come back on October 26, 2022, and we'll have we'll get you an offer on that date, okay?
Bueno, le voy a mandar a usted toda la información ahora en el chat con respecto al curso. Necesita tomar el curso y terminarlo dentro de 30 días. Le vamos a pedir a usted que regrese para una consulta previa al juicio el 26 de octubre del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Necesita haber completado el curso para ese día. Mándenos el certificado que indica que usted ha cumplido. Es el comprobante. Mándelo antes de la fecha del 26. Le voy a mandar mi correo electrónico en el chat. Tome una foto.
Okay. Disculpe, una pregunta. Así como yo puedo tomar el curso, yo no tengo mi pasaporte ni identificación de este país.
Excuse me, but I do have a question with regards to taking this course. I do not have a passport and I do not have ID from this country.
I don't think that's necessary. I think all you have to do is pay.
No creo que necesite eso, tan solo me parece que necesita pagar por el curso, no más.
Ok. ¿Puedo tomarlo? Yo tengo 18 años. ¿Puedo tomarlo? Sí.
Okay, I am 18 years old. Can I still take this course?
Yes.
Sí.
Ah, ok. Sí, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, if there's nothing further, come back on October 26, 2022, and we will send me that course in my email, so I'll have it before your court date, okay?
Bien, así que si no tiene algo más que decirnos, regrese aquí a esta corte el 26 de octubre del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana y no se olvide de mandarnos ese certificado que ha cumplido el curso antes de la.
Ok, ¿y esto para qué es? Disculpe.
Okay, and excuse me, what is this for?
This is because the allegation was made that you were driving 31 miles an hour over the speed limit, sir.
No estoy debido a que usted estaba manejando 31 millas sobre el límite, iba en exceso, señor.
Así es.
Along with the other allegations that you drove without a license, no insurance, and the other allegations that were made. So in order to get an offer to clear this matters up, the city attorney wants you to do a driving course. So that's the first part of getting this put behind you. You don't have to take the course if you don't want to, but the offer will be better if you do, okay?
Y eso es debido a ese cargo y además los otros cargos, estaba manejando sin licencia, que no tenía seguro de vehículo y otras alegaciones que habían. Así que para que la fiscalía le pueda ofrecer a usted una oferta, necesita entonces haber tomado este curso, pero usted lo toma voluntariamente, nadie lo está forzando a tomar este curso, pero una vez que lo haya tomado, entonces la fiscalía le puede hacer a usted un acuerdo, una oferta para reducir los cargos.
Okay.
If I may, Your Honor,
Okay, thank you.
if I may, Your Honor, he's holding up a document. He was asking what that document is for.
Si me permite su señoría, él había levantado un documento para que usted lo viera y lo que le estaba preguntando a usted es ¿para qué es el propósito de ese documento?
All right, you can hold that up again if you want me to let you know what that's for. Looks like a
Vuelva
notice.
y levante el documento que usted había levantado anteriormente para que yo le pueda decir a qué es que se refiere. Señor.
¿Ese?
This one.
That's for your notice today to come to court. You're more than likely to receive another one. That's not even 30 days.
Eso es un aviso de comparecencia, indicando que usted tenía que comparecer hoy. Y probablemente va a recibir otro aviso de comparecencia para la próxima fecha.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so come back on the 26th of October and we'll try to get it cleared up then, okay, sir?
Así que usted vuelva el 26 de octubre a ver si podemos ya resolver la situación. ¿Le parece, señor?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Questions?
¿Alguna pregunta que usted tenga?
¿Me va a llegar al correo, sí?
Yes, and it will come in the mail. Yes.
You should get a notice, but if it doesn't, you just rely on what we talked about. October 26, write it down. 2022
Bueno,
a.m.
le debería llevar usted un aviso, pero si no le llega el aviso, usted puede depender de lo que le hemos dicho esta mañana. Apúntelo, el 26 de octubre del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana necesita comparecer aquí.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Bien, y si no tiene nada más que decirnos, señor, que pase usted muy buen día y le deseamos mucha suerte.
Okay. El correo para ir a hacer el curso, ¿me va a llegar?
And you are going to send me the email information for that course that I'm going to take.
Put it in the chat.
Se lo pusimos en el chat, señor.
Okay. Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Feliz día.
Have a happy day.
All right, did you take a screenshot of it?
¿Usted ya tomó la información del chat? ¿Tomó una foto para que lo anotara?
No me apareció. Por eso le preguntaba.
No, it didn't show up. That's why I was asking you.
He's about to get off the phone.
Ya me apareció.
Oh, now.
Ya lo hice.
I did it.
Do you have the information, sir?
¿Ya usted tiene la información, señor?
Así es.
That is so.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Bien, le deseo a usted un día fabuloso, señor. Buena suerte usted.
Bueno, gracias igual.
Thank you. I wish you the same.
All right, not necessary. Not necessary. All right, let's, what about Riviera? Del Villa. Unmute yourself, please, ma'am.
La señora del Valle está silenciada. Prende el audio. por
Yes,
favor.
Your Honor. Me, Nerelis Del Valle Rivera.
What's the correct pronunciation of your first name?
Nerelis.
Or do you need an interpreter?
No.
Okay. Do you want to do community service, ma'am, to clear this stuff up, or you have a failure to report accident and property damage and leaving the scene of an accident? I can give your client a trial date, and we can see what happens there, but if you're willing to do community service, we can see this through. If you're not willing to do community service, I'm gonna send you off to your alphabet judge. What would you want to do?
So if I do the community service, I can clear this situation up.
Well, you're gonna be able to clear it up one way or the other anyway, but it's a choice of yours if we want to clear it up and if potentially do some community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, or if you want to go to your alphabet judge and see what kind of deal you can get, or see what happens with the cases, and you may be found not guilty. We'll give you the same options as far as trial and things like that, but we won't let you pay. You're gonna pay with your time at communities at the Southwest Detroit if you are found guilty or plead to something. You understand?
Okay, so if I take the community service hours, I won't have to go to trial and I won't have to fight the case. Like it'll just be taken care of with the community service hours.
Yeah, go in the breakout room with Mrs. Harris and explain to her what's going on. What about the Mrs. Mahaya?
Yeah, so,
Gonzalez?
oops. So Your Honor, she is, because I did review her document and it does have her, it says it was rescheduled from that date to today's date in this courtroom. And it lists the cases, but we needed to know what the offer would be. And if it's a civil infraction, could she pay the fine? Or would she need to go back to her,
If she wants to pay, then she's gonna go to her alphabet judge to get whatever offer and let them do the whole thing. If she doesn't want to pay, if she's willing to participate with the community service, she can stay here and we can see the cases through.
okay. I will go back in the breakout room and send her out, and then I'll go in with Miss Del Val.
No, that's Miss Riviera. All right. Where is her, Miss Gonzalez? I thought I printed that up. Excuse me, Miss Gonzalez, Mahaya. She's not on the docket.
One of them, one of them. You want me to call the tickets?
Have the paperwork there. Let's see what she's doing. We may not have to.
Because I don't think that her's being scheduled for one. They don't
Her
have-
offer's gonna be, see if she has a driver's license first. See if she has a driver's license. So, Miss Riviera, after Miss Harris comes out of the breakout room, she's gonna explain to you how this works, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
And I see you have a newborn there. Congratulations on that. But they will be able to accommodate you, so don't worry about, they'll accommodate you and give you something that and scheduling times that you can be able to manage, all right?
For the community service?
for the community service, if you choose to go that route. That's up to you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, because I don't have nobody to take care of my son.
All right. Okay, so let me ask you this, Ms. Harris, what does your client want to do as Mrs. Gonzalez Mejia?
Your Honor, at this time, she's going to request that her case be transferred back to the normal courtroom. And I do want to apologize to her because we did misunderstand the letter that she was showing. We only saw the top half.
All right. So let's get Judge Wagner the pretrial date. We can get her arraigned, so it doesn't matter if she wants to go to Judge Wagner. All right, so let's go back in the breakout room with Miss Riviera, and you can speak with her. I already told her that we'll make accommodations for her, her newborn. They'll be able to work with her, I'm sure, over there. Join the room, please, Ms. Harris and Ms. Riviera, and explain to her. She has, what we'll do, Ms. Harris, is we'll allow this to see her through as far as trial and everything. It's just upon completion of the case, whatever happens, if there's some sort of plea or some sort of finding of guilt, then we'll assign her some community service hours, and then we'll close it out like that. I don't know what the offer is going to be, because with leaving the scene of an accident, Mr. Goss is going to want to see the officer.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Rico Israel.
Hello?
Rico,
Yes.
you need an interpreter, sir?
No.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Israel Cruz Rico, case numbers SP 138-19831 and SP 138-20761. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Rico. State your full name, sir.
Israel Cruz Rico.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Do you have valid insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to present that to the court now?
I have it. I can send an email if that's fine.
That's fine. Send me an email. The offer will be, if that insurance is valid, then I will offer you a blocking traffic for the disregard and a red signal, and that'll be 6 hours of community service here in lieu of fines and costs with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and we'll close it out. And if the insurance is good, we'll dismiss that, okay?
Okay, and I have a question. I'm sorry.
All right, let me finish. You have an absolute right to a trial if you choose to, and you can speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room if you don't understand something.
Okay.
What's your question?
So when would this community service be? Do you have any? Because
we're gonna get you over there today. Mr. Phillips is on the line, and you can complete that as soon as you can get over there. Really?
Okay.
Well,
Alrighty.
I'll give you a few weeks.
I start getting I'm unemployed by the first week of November. Do you think I'd be able to start then, or?
Oh yes, you can. I'll give you time.
Okay. So I'm ready to send you the email whenever you are.
I sent the email in the chat.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I just sent it over.
I'll wait till that comes in. And then we will, we'll pass the matter for now, and I'll wait for that to come in. And then I'll recall it. Okay, I do have it. All right, so let's go back on the record with Mr. Israel Rico. I have insurance for 2012 Volkswagen. Pretty nice car. And
Thank
so what
you.
I do is I'm going to, you want to do the community service, sir? You won't have any points on your license, and we'll close it out for 6 hours of community service. You want to do that?
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right. For your client, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right. I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, I'm going to allow your client to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. That's for SD 138-19831 and SD 138-20761. I'm going to dismiss that case so that because your client provided valid documentation. I need a good phone number from you, sir, please.
Yes, 313-329-8459.
And I want you to take this number down. It's 313-879-2155. That's the number over there to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
I'm sorry, can you repeat it?
313-879-2155.
All right.
So I'm going to give you, you said you indicated you need to start by the end of, by the beginning of, at least by the beginning of November. So how about I give till November the 16th to complete this?
Yeah, I think that's good.
All right, we'll set a review date. You don't have to come back as long as you're on that list. You're going to talk to Mr. Phillips. He's going to get you all straight with those hours, and he can get you on the list as long as you complete it. All right.
Sounds good.
All right. It's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You do as well. Bye-bye.
All right. For Mrs. Ariana Mahaya Gonzalez, she does have a valid driver's license. I would allow her to do you have valid insurance for this vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And a good plate for this vehicle?
Yes, I do.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. Can you show me that documentation, ma'am?
This is the insurance.
All right, let's see what you have here. This is insurance. I can't quite make it out. A little closer to the camera or make it a little clearer for me. That date is 4/14/2023. Is that the insurance for this vehicle here?
Yes.
Well, we still need her file.
You
Let's
still need
get her
a
file. Let's get your file. Let me see the other registration, please.
it's right here.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss the cases today. I can do that. I can call it without it. Hit the file over here. And, all right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ariana Elizabeth Mejia Gonzalez. Case number is SP 1382886, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1382888, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Oh, my name.
Yes.
Do I spell it out?
No, say it.
Oh, Ariana Lisbeth Mejia Gonzalez.
You can spell it too, for since you're not on the docket. Yeah, go ahead and spell it out, please.
Can I write it down in the chat?
No, spell it out.
Ariana, and the next name is Lizbeth, and my last name is Mejia. The other last name is Gonzalez.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, waive formal reading of the information, Your Honor.
I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give her a $0 bond, and at this time, I'm going to dismiss the cases. This is a one-time deal for you, ma'am. You provided valid documentation. You have a valid driver's license. I don't know what happened out there on that date and time, but you have to keep that documentation on you if you're driving any vehicle, okay? So you can present that, and that could potentially avert something like this happening again. So if there's nothing further, ma'am, you're going to be free to leave, and your cases are going to be closed out, all right?
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, what about Mrs. Riviera? What does she want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date. Oh, she's still.
Where are you, Miss Riviera? Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name again, please.
Yeah, it's Nerlich.
Narrowless. This is the city of Detroit versus Narrowless, Del Riviera. Case numbers SP 1335366. SP 1336823, count 1, 2, and 3. SP 1336824. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Delval. Ms. Delval, please state your name for the record.
Nerlich Wyatt Rivera.
Rivera, I apologize.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, waive formal reading. She has been advised of her rights.
Okay, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give her a $0 bond. And is that what you want to do? You want to set a trial date, ma'am?
Yes, sir. That's what I want to do.
And you agree to doing some community service if there's some sort of conviction or plea in this case. Is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, so I'm going to set a trial date for October 26, 2022 at 9 a.m. And we will see you back then, and we'll get some kind of resolution hopefully at that time, okay?
Okay, sounds perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Good luck to you. Have a great day.
Thank you too.
All right, Devisha. Is Devisha here? I see her. You have
Yes, yes.
And turn your camera on, ma'am, please. What's your last name, ma'am?
King, K-I-N-G.
Say it again, please.
King, K-I-N-G.
Okay. Do you want to do community service, or do you want to go to your alphabet judge, or do you want, if you could set a trial date, I'll let you set a trial date to see if you can beat the ticket. But if not,
Okay.
will you be willing to do community service if not?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, let's see. This is the city of Detroit versus Devisha Monique King. Case number SP 135-00371. Appearance for the record, please.
Old S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. King. State your full name, Ms. King.
Devisha Monique King.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. And I can either get your client an offer. Your client's offer will be 12 hours of community service. Upon completion of the 12 hours of community service, we'll dismiss the case. Or your client can just try and get a trial date. And if she can do better, then the case can potentially just be dismissed, but she can't do any worse. It'll still end up, if she gets found guilty or takes a plea, it'll still end up 12 hours of community service. What would you like to do, Ms. King?
You said I could do community service or go to trial.
Well, you can go to trial, but all I need to do is have that agreement that if you're found guilty, you'll do the 12 hours.
Yes, yes.
All right, let's set a trial date for October 26, 2022 at 9 a.m. And I'm just gonna put on here, you agree to community service. You may not have to do it. You may win. All right.
Okay.
I see you can get over, well, I won't say that because I don't know if that is you. But they say you can get over to Southwest Detroit. You're gonna have to just do your hours at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, that's all. All right?
Yes, that's fine.
So I set a trial date on October 26, 2022 at 9 a.m. Come back then, we'll get some resolution, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, man. What about Mr. Joseph Martin?
You mean the flesh?
Joseph Martin?
Yeah, that's me. Joseph LaFlesh.
Joseph, say that again?
My last name's LaFlesh.
Okay, LaFlesh. So you'll be with me anyway. I don't see you on the docket though. Oh.
Yeah, I think it's a review.
Yeah, it's you should have, I asked earlier, were you, oh, he didn't complete his community service hours or something?
I didn't have community service, sir.
You didn't? Let's see what you had. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Joseph LaFlesh, case number 6100141. Appearance, oh, you don't have to put your appearance on the record. State your name for the record, Mr. LaFlesh.
Joseph Allen LaFlesh.
All right, today is the date and time set for review in the matter. Do you have proof that you took the morality class?
They sent it over and I emailed CTR M434 at 36 District Court. That's why I emailed it to.
M434 at 36 District Court. That's the court email. Can you find that? What about the testing?
Yeah, I got that right here.
All right, let's
And I
see the
emailed
test.
that.
You emailed that as well?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's put the matter aside. We'll get those documents. And then we will, I see that he paid. And
Yeah, I got everything. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
you saying that you got everything done, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me verify that. And then, once I get that verification, we'll put it in your file and we'll close the matter out under disorderly conduct, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
When did you send that?
What was it, about a week ago? About a week ago.
Okay, thank you.
You see it? And what email address did you send it from?
The CTRM 434.
No, what email address did you send it from? What, that would help if we could just type the email address.
The Joseph AJ Martin at gmail.com.
AJ Martin at gmail.com. See?
The probation department, I think, has the morality one also.
All right, let's get probation down here and get them to give us the document. All right, we're gonna call probation down. We'll pass the matter. We'll get this confirmed and we'll get you out of here as soon as we can, all right?
I appreciate it.
You see it? You see both of them?
Well, I see Joseph A. J. Martin.
Is the documents on the documents?
I'm about to print it for you right now.
All right, stand by that. All right, Hernandez Cruz. Is Hernandez Cruz here?
Señora Hernández Cruz está presente? Yes.
Aquí.
I'm here.
This is not gonna print out right here.
Just send
I'm gonna forward it to you.
All right, Ms. Cruz, are you willing to do community service to clear this stuff up, or you want to go to your alphabet judge?
Y señora Cruz, ¿está usted dispuesta a hacer algunas horas de servicio comunitario para resolver este asunto o prefiere que la mandemos al juez que le tocaría a usted según la primera letra de su apellido?
No, sí, estaría bien. Estaría bien.
No, that would be fine. That would be fine.
Community service is fine?
¿Servicio comunitario le parece bien?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that would be fine.
Still forward it to you.
All right, that's fine. I don't need you to forward it. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. LaFleche. Mr. LaFleche, I'm in possession of your testing and your morality class, sir. At this time, I am going to close your matter out under disorderly conduct, sir, okay?
Yes, sir.
Paid. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day and good luck to you, all right?
You as well. You also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jocelyn Hernandez Cruz. Case number SB 1384646, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jocelyn Hernández Cruz. Números de caso SP 1384646, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sí,
Yes, I'm Jocelyn Hernandez Cruz.
Sherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Hernandez Cruz. For purposes of arraignment, she stands mute, waives formal reading of the information.
Sí, yo soy Cherica Ares, la abogada representando a la señora Hernández Cruz. Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, denunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Okay, like, can I ask your client whether she has a valid driver's license or not?
Le quiero preguntar a su cliente si es que ella tiene una licencia vigente, válida de conducir o no.
No, estoy en proceso de eso porque lo que me ha tenido estancado es que me están pidiendo mi pasaporte. Entonces, tuve que hacer una cita en Chicago para irlo a traer y hasta ahorita, como en diciembre, me van a dar una cita porque está estancado el sistema de allá. Entonces, por eso no he podido sacar mi licencia, sino porque ya estoy...
No, but I am in process of getting it. The only thing that's been holding it up is my passport. They've been asking me for my passport and they are just so behind, but I was able to ask for an appointment in Chicago and I do have an appointment in Chicago coming up. Continúe, señora.
Entonces, por eso no la he sacado. Entonces, ya teniendo la cita y teniendo mi pasaporte, ya voy a estar lista para sacar mi licencia.
Yes, and that's what's been holding everything up. But now that I have my appointment and I'll be able to have my passport, I will be able to get my driver's license.
Well, I'll give your client two options. Do you have insurance for this vehicle?
Bueno, a su cliente le voy a dar dos opciones. Dígame, ¿tiene usted seguro de vehículo para este vehículo?
¿Seguro? No.
Insurance, no.
I'll still give your client two options. The first option is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive 12 hours of community service. We'll clear it up, we'll dismiss everything. The second option is your client has an absolute right to a trial. What would your client like to do? And you can speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room if you want some clarification, or is it Mr. Berry?
Entonces, aún le ofrezco dos opciones a su cliente. Le permito a ella que se declare culpable haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia conducir. Le pediría 12 horas de servicio comunitario y cuando las cumpla, todos los cargos quedan desestimados. La segunda opción es que ella tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio. Si ella quiere que le demos tiempo para hablar con su abogada con respecto a estas ofertas para poder clarificar, le podemos dar tiempo con la señora Cherica, a menos que el abogado de ella sea el abogado Berry.
Would you like to discuss those options, Ms. Hernandez Cruz?
Señora Hernández Cruz, ¿le gustaría hablar conmigo con respecto a estas opciones?
Sí.
Yes. Bien, entonces la vamos a pasar usted a una sala de consulta privada con la señora Harris.
Y regreso otra vez para aquí, ¿verdad?
And then I have to come right back to court here, right?
Yes.
Sí.
Okay.
Get her phone number too, and give her the number to Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center if she wants to participate.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, Goodman. That just puts us right into a person that does not need an interpreter. That's pretty good.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Brandy Goodman.
Okay, Antoinette. These are state cases on Counselor formal hearing, 8/15/2022. You missed that. Raymond on Benchmore.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Brandy Antoinette Goodman. Case numbers, that's right, that is the state of Michigan versus Brandy Antoinette Goodman. Case number is SX 1298789, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Goodman. State your full name, Ms. Goodman.
Brandy Antonique Goodman.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the formal reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. And here's what's going on. Where were you, Ms. Goodman? I think we seem to have set aside some defaults for you.
Yes, I wasn't aware because of the fact that they didn't send the documents to the right address. So they didn't have the right address on file. So I had to go down to the 36th District Court to correct it.
I don't know why those defaults weren't set aside, but you left here, the date that you left here, you must have had you must have had the idea when you left. Trial date 8/15.
Yes,
So that's not a good excuse.
Right. I so missed because I work so much and I have a newborn. So I so missed the date. When I wrote it down, it didn't pop up on my phone. But I definitely went down there to, correct it because I wasn't even aware of these allegations. I don't even know what this was about. I have my license. I have a vehicle. I have my registration and insurance. So I wasn't aware of none of this. And they didn't have my right name on file. So that's another thing.
Hold on.
Can you run her driver's license, please? I don't know why we set those aside for you. But you didn't appear. And then they denied your motion to set it aside. Downstairs.
When I had went down to the 36th District Court, she did tell me that they sent out the papers to the wrong address. So that was, another thing. I would have definitely made it if I would have got the, paperwork in the mail because I so forgot to, write it down. So.
But the problem is that you, how old are you now?
I'm 25.
And these tickets happened 8 years ago.
Yeah, that's what I noticed. I wasn't aware of any of this. That's why I'm trying to, fix whatever, it was that was done.
So they're saying that 8 years ago, you would have been
16. Going on 17. So.
No, you would have been 17.
Right. Yep. You're right. I'm so sorry. 17.
So you would have been of driving age at that time.
Right. Exactly.
I don't know what to do with this. Let's see your driver's record first.
I have my license number if you want it.
Yeah, that'd be great. You can give it to me.
Go ahead.
It's G3550980674770.
470. Thank you.
And you don't have a phone that you can zoom in on?
I do, but disconnects, like it skips, so you barely will be able to hear me.
Right, your driver's license is valid.
Yes,
All right, we're gonna do this one more time. Is the address correct on here now?
yes,
We're gonna set a trial date. Are we on the record?
yes.
Yes, Your Honor, for Brandy Goodman.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna set a trial date for you, ma'am. For, let's say November the 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m. for at least the SX129-87892. All right.
Okay, you said 9 a.m. November the 1st.
Yeah, you gotta get it right this time, or you gotta get it right this time.
Definitely, I will.
All right, and bring and have a phone where you can zoom in as well. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Did we arraign her, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, we did.
Okay. All right, Ms. Goodman, well, anyway, I'm gonna recall the warrant. We're not guilty. Please give you $0. All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day. November the 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right.
The same judge, right?
Yes.
Same courtroom? Okay. Thank you. You too.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey, what does Miss Hernandez Cruz want to do? Let's go back on. Did we ever call Hernandez Cruz? I think we did.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Hernandez Cruz. What does your client want to do, Ms. Harris? I'm giving her an opportunity to speak with you in a breakout room.
Y vamos a volver a abrir la sesión para el caso de la señora Hernández Cruz. Y díganos, licenciada Harris, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Yeah, after discussion, my client wishes to avail herself of the plea offer.
Su señoría, después de haber tenido la oportunidad de hablar con mi cliente, ella quiere aprovecharse de la oferta que se le hizo.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
¿Y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, ma'am.
¿Ya usted puede bajar la mano, señora?
Okay.
Ma'am, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted, señora, que la pena máxima que usted pudiera recibir en este caso son 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand if you're not a United States citizen, ma'am, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense could potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y comprende usted, señora, que si usted no es ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede causar consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what we stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo distinto, diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho y que consta en el acta?
¿Cómo así?
What is that?
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said about giving you the 12 hours of community service and dismissing your case upon completion of that?
Que si alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo distinto de lo que le ofrecimos nosotros, que nosotros le ofrecimos 12 horas de servicio comunitario y que vamos a desestimar el cargo una vez que usted lo haya hecho.
No.
No.
Okay, ma'am, all right, let me draw your attention back to August the 29th, 2022 at around 1:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Radcliffe and McDougal Street. Now, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Bueno, entonces, señora, le llamo la atención a la fecha del 29 de agosto del 2022, aproximadamente a la 1:31 de la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Radcliffe y McDougal. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
And on that day, ma'am, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese día, señora, ¿el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer. ¿No es cierto, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
No, no puede hacer.
I could not do that.
Okay, very well. And why is that?
Bien, ¿y por qué razón?
Porque estoy en proceso. No, el consulado donde yo puedo sacar mi pasaporte está saturado y estoy en proceso para poder sacar mi licencia lo más pronto posible.
Because I am in the process of getting my license. I've contacted my consulate, but they are just overwhelmed with people trying to get an appointment. But I am in the process of getting my license
Okay, I'm gonna
as
find
soon
your,
as possible.
okay, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That is a 0-point offense. It is a misdemeanor, but that misdemeanor will be dismissed upon completion of 12 hours of community service, and with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other count now.
Entonces, voy a aceptar la declaración de culpable de su cliente al cargo modificado de haber permitido a un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Este es un cargo que conlleva 0 puntos en la licencia de conducir, pero es aún un delito menor. Pero voy a desestimar ese delito menor cuando cumpla las 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y al otro cargo puedo desestimar si hay causa razonable y la abogada está de acuerdo a estipular.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Sí, así lo estipuló su señoría.
All right, I'm going to give you a review date of November the 2nd, 2022 for those hours to be completed. I do need a good phone number for your client.
Así que le permite usted hasta el 2 de noviembre del 2022 para que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario. Necesito un buen número de teléfono de su cliente.
I apologize, Your Honor. I did not get that number in the breakout room. Ms. Hernandez Cruz, we need your phone number.
Lo siento, su señoría, no le pregunté el número de teléfono de ella cuando estábamos en la sala de consulta. Señora, ¿nos puede dar, señora Hernández, su número de teléfono?
Sí, claro que sí. 313-338-525.
The interpreter will ask her to repeat. It broke up a little bit, Your Honor. Repita, señora, 313.
338-6525.
313-338-6525.
All right, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am?
Y señora, ¿tiene ya usted el número de la Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit, señora?
Que si tengo el número.
You're asking me if I have that number?
I'll give you the number. Take
Se
the
lo voy a
number
dar
down.
ahora.
Okay.
Okay.
Tres 879-2155.
313-869-2155.
¿Me lo puede repetir, por favor?
Could you repeat that, please?
313-879-2155.
313-879-2155. Okay, got it.
All right, call them this afternoon and they'll set up those hours for you, okay?
Llámelos esta misma tarde para que puedan fijar las horas que usted va a trabajar. ¿Le parece?
Okay, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
Y que tenga usted muy buen día, señora, y le deseo buena suerte.
Okay, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you so very much.
Una pregunta, ¿voy a volver otra vez para aquí cuando ya cumpla mis horas comunitarias?
Okay, I do have one question. Do I come back here after I have completed my community hour, my community service?
You don't, you can, you don't have to, Mr. Phillips or you'll talk to, Miss Buenteo over there, so, you don't have to, as long as you complete it, you don't have to come back.
Usted puede regresar, pero no necesita regresar. Usted hable con el señor Phillips o con la señora Buentello, que están representando el programa de servicio comunitario, y les dirán más. Pero no es necesario que usted regrese. Puede, pero no es necesario.
Ok, está bien, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you. That's fine.
Have a great day, man.
Que tenga usted un día muy bueno, señora.
Muchas gracias igual.
Thank you so much. Same to you.
You're free to leave.
Ya se puede ir, señor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Gustavo Gayton. Strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Gustavo Gayton, case number SX4342101. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad. Ah, no, disculpe, este es el estado. Llamamos el caso del estado de Michigan versus Gustavo Gaitán, número de caso SX434352101. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Gustavo Gaitán.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gayton. Please state your name, sir.
Soy Cherica Harris, la abogada representando al señor Gaitán. ¿Puede usted decir su nombre, señor?
Gustavo Gaitán.
Gustavo Gaitán.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I don't have a state prosecutor. I can just give your client a trial date to see if the state trooper shows up. There's only one ticket and we can get some resolution. I'll give your client a trial date on November the 1st, 2022, if he chooses to do that.
Bueno, este es el día y esta es la hora que teníamos fijada para tener la consulta previa al juicio en este caso. Pero hoy no tenemos un fiscal estatal. Lo que yo puedo hacer es darle a su cliente una fecha para juicio para ver si el oficial se presenta o no. Y esa fecha sería el 1 de noviembre del 2022.
Sí. Está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Want to speak with them, Ms. Harris?
Yes, please, just to inquire, because I believe this is a no insurance matter, Your Honor.
Yeah, values, yeah, operation without security, insurance operation without security, motor vehicle, no security, so.
Si me permite tiempo hablar con él privadamente, su señoría. Sí, señora Harris, ¿usted quiere hablar con él? Sí, porque este es un caso que tiene que ver de que no tenía seguro, que estaba manejando sin tener seguro de vehículo.
Sí.
Yes.
Want to speak with them, Ms. Harris?
¿Usted quiere hablar con él, señora Harris?
Yes, please, briefly.
Sí, por favor, brevemente.
All of you guys join the breakout room, please.
Entonces vamos a recibir una invitación para pasar a una sala privada. Que todos nos reunamos en una sala privada.
Miss Sonia, iPhone,
Yes, Your Honor.
what's your name, ma'am? Full name, please.
Sonia Lopez. I was, my father received in the mail a letter saying he had court, and it was regarding of my vehicle. But my father haven't been in the country in like literally like about 3 years. So I don't understand why they put it under his name instead of mine.
What's your father's name?
Rafael Lopez Lopez.
On the second page,
See the top. Thank you.
I also have the case number on the letter he got sent in the mail. The vehicle's under his and my name.
That's why the ticket came into his name.
Yeah, because that's why they put it on his name.
All right. Hold on a second.
Mhm.
He's not in the country.
No, he's not. He haven't been in the country for about 3 years.
Is he gonna return?
I don't think so. I'm not sure, honestly. My boyfriend got pulled over in my vehicle and they gave him a ticket for no insurance and invalid.
Hold on a second.
Yes.
All right, we gotta call the city attorney down here with this. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gustavo. I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak with Ms. Harris in the breakout. What does your client want to do?
Ahora vamos al caso del señor Gustavo. Le dio una oportunidad a usted, señor, hablar con su licenciada en una sala privada. Así que quiere ser su cliente, señora Harris.
Your Honor, he does have the proof of insurance that he's able to present today if the court would take that into consideration.
Su señoría, hoy él tiene comprobante de seguro, si es que la corte le gustaría ver ese comprobante.
Let's see what kind of insurance he has.
Bueno, vamos a ver qué tipo de seguro de vehículo tiene él.
Let's see. I can't see that.
Eso no lo puedo ver.
Can they email it to me? I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Voy a poner mi correo electrónico en el chat para que me lo puedan mandar.
Está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, we'll wait, we'll pass the matter until I get that email. And we'll recall the case.
Y vamos a esperar hasta que recibamos ese correo electrónico. Por ahora esperamos en ese caso y pasamos a otro.
¿Dónde se mira el correo? No sé.
Where do I find that email?
Down at the bottom, you'll see a chat option. You push that button, and you'll see my email address, SEAN.TERKINS@36districtcourt.org.
Oh,
Si
sí, ya,
vea
ya lo
usted,
encontré.
oh, I've already found it.
All right, let's pass that matter. And let's call the City of Detroit versus Gerald Garlington. Case number SP 137-51791. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Garlington. Did he leave? It appears that he did leave. Let's just
Here for
clear it up.
review, Your Honor.
Huh?
He was here for review.
Okay, he was date time set for review. He was in the room. And I do see that he got 12 hours of community service completed. And we said we would dismiss the case upon completion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss the case now because he evidence that he completed community service. If there's nothing further, I'll close that matter off. All right, let's go to Christian Junior Avila. The City of Detroit versus Christian Junior Avila's case number SP 125-85921 and SP 133-47121. Today was the date and time set for review in the matter. I have confirmation that he completed community service. So with the allowing, I'm going to dismiss.
Is he present, Your Honor?
No, he's not. With the blocking traffic, I'm going to close it out. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mustafa. At this time, I have a receipt of valid insurance for the vehicle. So I'm gonna give him a one-time dismissal of this case for providing valid documentation.
Bueno, ahora vamos a volver al caso del señor Gustavo Gaitán. He recibido ahora comprobante de que él tiene seguro de vehículo, así que esta vez únicamente voy a desestimar el caso.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
Okay, if there's nothing further, he is free to leave.
Así que si no tienen nada más que quisiera decir, ya usted se puede ir.
Gracias.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Le deseo a usted un buen día, señor, y buena suerte.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
Okay. All right, this is the City of Detroit. Versus Randy Sedina, case number SP 137-08531. Today is the date and time for a review. I do do have confirmation that he completed the 6 hours of community service. So with that, I'm gonna close the matter out. Civil infraction of amended count of blocking traffic.
I apologize. What was that person's name?
Randy Sedina, and he's on the review at the top, I believe. That would be the third person.
Thank
you. Christian Villas is the second person down. I need to get Mr. Goss. Is Mr. Goss here? I want to get this Ms. Lopez, is that your name? Okay, let's call we have Mr. Victor Neftali Zucaras Lopez.
Victor Zacarias Lopez?
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that is me.
Right. This is the city of Detroit versus Victor Casares Lopez, Zucaras Lopez, case numbers SP 138-4049, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 138-4050, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Así que caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Víctor Zacarias López, números de caso SP 1384050, cargos 1 y 2, y cargo SP 1384049, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Víctor Zacarias López.
My name is Victor Zacarias Lopez.
And I'm Elwood Berry on behalf of Mr. Lopez, Your Honor.
Y yo soy el señor Berry, licenciado, representando al señor López, su señoría.
As for purposes of arraignment.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
¿Y qué dicen con respecto a la lectura de cargos? Y su señoría, con respecto a la lectura de cargos, denunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Okay, I'm entering not guilty plea in your client's behalf. I want to give your client a $0 bond. And I want to know if your client wants to participate in the community service.
Entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0 y quiero, licenciado, saber si su cliente quiere participar en el programa de servicio comunitario.
Sir?
Señor.
Sí.
Yes.
Go to the breakout room and talk to him. His offer is going to be allowing an unlicensed driver to drive for the driver's license never acquired, 12 hours of community service, and the amended count of blocking traffic for the wrong way driving in lieu of fines and costs will be 6 hours of community service. We'll dismiss the rest and inform him that he has an absolute right to a trial.
Certainly, Your Honor.
If he wants to do the community service, give his phone number.
Your Honor, would you like the interpreter to say that to him before we go to the breakout room?
Yes.
Sí. Así que esta es la oferta que le ofrezco yo a su cliente. Le puedo ofrecer una reducción, una modificación en cargo a que le permitió una persona. They're all gone?
He's gone.
He's gone.
Let us join.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this while they're in there. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Marcel Hanceri, Hanceri, case numbers SP 128586111. Day is the date and time set for review in that matter. Let's see what both the matters. Blocking traffic was amended. That would have been 6 hours of community service. The equipment violation was responsible. That would have been 6 hours of community service. And I'm thinking the no insurance should have been dismissed by party. Close that out. So we're going to close out SP 128586111. Completed 6 hours of community service. SP 1324204, count 1. Close that out. Completed. Community service, and then count 2 of that. That was dismissed. Waive fee. All right, that's what that'll be, and that'll complete that. Yes.
With the brain, you want me to set aside the default?
No.
I'm here, Your Honor.
You still want me to set up a one hearing?
No, just set up a trial.
Okay.
It's gonna be the same officer. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit. This is, I'm gonna just finish this up right quick, Mr. Costa. The city of Detroit versus Teray Harris, case number SP 1375171. There's a date and time set for review in the matter. Alcohol related violation. And I see that Mr. Harris completed 12 hours of community service. And we indicated to him we'll dismiss upon completion. So based on that, we're going to honor that and close the matter out and dismiss the case. Complete 12 hours of community service. Okay, for Mrs. Lopez. No, Mrs. So Miss Sonia, is this Sonia there?
Yes.
Are you Sonia Lopez?
Yes.
All right, so Miss Lopez is here, and she got the notices for her father. Her father, she indicates, has been out of the country for quite some time. These tickets were issued this year, and I believe they came as a result of the car is still in the father's name. I don't know who got the tickets. I guess They put tickets in his name. So she indicates that he is not coming back. I don't know what to do with this. So he's got, well, I'll tell you what he has.
Your Honor, is that Rafael Lopez?
Yes.
Lopez? Your Honor, I can dismiss these matters. However, if we get these again, I won't be dismissing them. I would take her at her word that her father is out of the country, and I would give her. I would dismiss it this time.
And Your Honor, if I may, oops, Mr. Goss, I think the issue is the car might be in both of their names, even though he's no longer in the country.
Right, but from the tickets, it shows that it's was no license either, license improper.
But
So if it's in both your names, you can get the plates and insurance.
yeah,
If it's
I
still,
have
right.
the plates were not expired and I have my insurance. It's just I don't understand why the officer did that. And I mean, like, I don't know, I think they should have gave the ticket to the person that was driving the vehicle, maybe, or put both of our names. I'm just saying, because on here it says if he wouldn't have showed up today, he would get like a warrant for his arrest, and he hasn't been in the country for quite a few years. That's why I haven't been able to change the vehicle just to my name.
He also, it comes up under his name, but it doesn't have, when I look the ticket up, it's got a possession of marijuana ticket. But then when I look the ticket up, it's called Rafael Lopez Ramirez. And
That's my brother. That's not my father.
well, he needs to come in here.
Who needs to come in here?
Your brother does.
But that's not the same person. I don't get it.
I know. I'm just telling you that your brother has all these warrants out for his arrest.
Oh, okay. I thought you were speaking about the ticket for Rafael Lopez. I was like, wait.
It just comes up under your father's name now. But when I look at the ticket, it's up. Now, where is your brother?
My brother? He's not in the country as well.
Does he ever plan on coming back?
No.
But they won't let him back, huh? What is his date of birth?
My father's?
No, your brother's.
I believe it's in June the 4th or the 5th.
July 1st, 85.
Or it's one of those 2 months. I'm not sure, honestly. It's the June or July one. It's probably July.
I have July the 1st, 85. You don't keep in contact with your brother, huh?
No, I don't.
All right, let's call the case. I don't need it. Yeah. Okay. But again, this is one of those situations where when you pull up the father Lopez, then that case, that 14 case that is in his son's name, so that needs to be corrected. So look up Rafael Lopez. Rafael
That's the
Lopez.
sheet you just gave. I just trying to give you.
No, I'll print it off. Look that up and then you'll see that. This is the city of Detroit versus Rafael Lopez, case number SP1384718, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP138474771. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lopez, who is not present, we will waive his appearance, but would ask that the court would allow his daughter to appear on his behalf.
All right, I'm gonna allow that. State your name for the record, ma'am, please.
Sonia Lopez.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, waive formal reading.
All right, well, they're not guilty plea, your client you have, give a $0 bond. And we've already waived the client's appearance because indicated that out the country will actually taking the daughter's word for that. And put your appearance on the record, Mr. Goss, please.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people.
And the people are willing to dismiss the ticket based on Mrs. Lopez's representation of the dad not being in the country and indicated to the court that she doesn't see her dad returning anytime soon. She also indicated to the court that he's been out of the country for some time, some years, you said, right now?
Yes.
And that this car that she's talking about is in her name and her father's name. So based on those things, you're willing to dismiss, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll dismiss the case this time, man, one-time deal. It's you're gonna have to either watch who you give that car to, or you're gonna have to make sure that they have the proper documentation when they drive it, so it doesn't happen again, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it, Your Honor. And I also had a question. I received once I received that letter, I also received the 36th District Court, you are directed to appear as follow. And it's also under his name, but this one says for Monday, February 6th, 2023. Is this like the same thing on there?
Yeah, the case numbers that I read off, SP 1384718, counts 1 and counts 2, or SP 138474771. Those cases are going to be dismissed.
Okay, so for that court date, we don't have, I wouldn't have to also go on there. It's also with you as well.
That'll be closed out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
Same to you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Arias Perez. I've given no strike that Arias Lopez. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Así que ahora vamos al caso del señor Zacarías López. Le da usted una oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada. Licenciado, díganos, ¿qué quiere su cliente hacer?
Your Honor, the defendant would avail himself of the offer. We have his phone number, and he's been provided with the number to the Southwest Community Center.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aceptar la oferta. Ya él nos ha dado su número de teléfono y nosotros le hemos dado a él el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Okay, is that what you want to do, sir?
¿Y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, what phone number do we have?
¿Y cuál es el número de teléfono que tenemos para él?
313-677-3708.
Tenemos el número 313-677-3708.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Bien, señor, ¿puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
All right. So you swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
No, sir. Sir, do you understand that conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Si pudo bajar la mano. Señor, quiero que usted comprenda que es una condena de un delito menor puede resultar en problemas con inmigración si es que usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos. ¿Comprende usted eso?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty in these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima para este cargo sería 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí. Sí.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, do you, you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
No.
No.
You don't understand that if you wanted to contest these matters, you can go to trial on these tickets if you wanted to contest them?
¿Entiende usted que si usted quisiera pelear estos casos, usted tiene derecho a tener un juicio? ¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understand that that's your right to do so if you chose to, right?
Y entiende usted que es su derecho de hacer esto si es que usted quisiera pelear los cargos, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer that we're giving you today, that you're going to give up that right to a trial. You understand that?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta que le vamos a proponer hoy, usted renuncia ese derecho de tener juicio. ¿Comprende eso?
Sí. Sí.
Yes. Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya nosotros le hemos dicho y que conste en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, let me draw your attention back to August the 29th of 2022 at around 2:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Radcliffe and Google. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que, señor, le llamo la atención entonces a la fecha del 29 de agosto del 2022, aproximadamente a las 2:21 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Radcliffe y McDougal. ¿Tuvo usted la ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
And on that day, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese día el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia válida de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿verdad, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
No tenía.
I did not have one.
Okay, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I told him I sentenced him to 12 hours of community service, and I would dismiss upon completion of that.
Muy bien, entonces acepto una declaración de culpable de su cliente al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia conducir y le voy a pedir a él que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario y el cargo queda desestimado una vez que él haya cumplido las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
And, sir, on that same date and time where you stopped driving the wrong way on a one-way street,
Y señor, ese día también y a esa hora a usted lo pararon debido a que iba manejando en la vía incorrecta, en una calle que era tan solo de una vía.
Sí.
Yes.
and you would agree that you were going the wrong way on that street, is that correct?
Y usted está de acuerdo que usted iba en rumbo incorrecto en esa calle. ¿Es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, and in lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow your client to do 6 hours of community service for a total of 18 hours of community service, and with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 matters.
Bien, entonces voy a aceptar una declaración de responsable de su cliente de haber bloqueado tránsito y tendrá que hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de pagar costos y multas. Llegamos a un total de 18 horas y vamos a desestimar el otro cargo si usted, licenciado, está de acuerdo con causa razonable.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Sí, estoy de acuerdo, su señoría.
Okay. I'll dismiss the other 2 matters, SP 1384049 count 2 and SP 1384050. I have a phone number here of 313-677-3708. I'm going to set a review date for November 2nd, 2022 at 8:25. Those hours are complete. We'll close the matters out like we put on the record.
Bien, entonces voy a desestimar los otros cargos, 2 otros cargos que él tenía, el cargo que es el SP138400492 y el SP138400502 y esperamos que él cumpla las horas que le hemos dado. Necesita regresar aquí el 2 de noviembre del 2022 a las 8:30 para revisar el caso. Y ya tenemos el número de teléfono del que él nos ha proveído.
You have the number over there to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir.
Y tiene usted, él nos dio el número de teléfono 313-677-3708. Y señor, tiene usted el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Sí, eso es.
Yes.
Okay, if you have that number, give them a call now. Ask to speak with Ms. Quinteo, and they'll set you up. I'm gonna give you till November the 2nd, 2022 at 8:25 to have those hours complete.
Bien, entonces llámelos ahora cuando terminemos aquí. Pida hablar con la señorita Buentello y necesito que usted regrese el 2 de noviembre de 2022 a las 8:30 para que podamos confirmar que usted ha completado las horas que le pedimos que hiciera de servicio comunitario.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Okay, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Y si no tiene nada más que decirnos, señor, que pase usted muy buen día y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
All right, have a very good day, sir.
Que tenga muy buen día, señor.
And Your Honor, what was Mr. Lopez's first name?
That's Mr. Casares. His first name is on the last page there. No, not on the last page. On the second page, down at the bottom. That's Victor Casares Lopez.
Okay, at Victor, that, I did have that. I didn't understand that middle name. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Kayla Dawn Ramirez, case number SG 137-50961. Today is the date and time set for review in the matter. I have evidence that Ms. Maldiva is on here, but I have Ramirez, Kayla Dawn Ramirez on the docket with the same case number. So I have evidence that she completed 12 hours of community service, and with that, I'm going to dismiss the case. All right, close it out. I believe that will conclude the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a good day.
Very well. Good to see you, Mr. Berry, Ms. Harris, Ms. Villaroo, Ms. Williams-Law, Ms. Mathis, Mr. Phillips, and Mr. Goss. I think he might know he's on there. So if there's nothing further, that'll conclude today.
Have a great day, everyone.
Have a good one.
Thank you very much.
Have a
We'll
good
see
day,
you.
Your Honor.
All right. Have a good. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta
Cuídese.
luego. Say that again.
Cuídese. Take care. Cuídese.
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 Cuídese. Cuídese.
Perfect.
All right.
Cuídese. Take care.
All right. Cuídese. All right. Thank you.
Cuídese.
All right. Cuídese.
Gracias.